Speed max. Speed max னு அர்த்தம் வேகமா போடுறது மட்டும் கிடையாது, அக்யூரேட்டா போடணும். That is no error. One by one I will teach. Try to understand. This speed max topic will be useful for TNPSC, bank, RRB, SSC, police, TET and all other exams also. Suppose ஒரு question இருக்கு, இதுதான் வந்து basic lesson 22.48 into 31.27 how much? நீங்கெல்லாம் எழுத போறதெல்லாம் என்னது multiple objective type exam. Suppose the options are like this: 702.9494, 704.9698, 703.8842. Suppose the fourth option is none of the above. So question number 1, 22.48 into 31.27 how much? Straight away you should not start multiplying 7 into 8, 56, 5 etc. Always see the unit digit. This is 4, this is 8, this is 2. எல்லா unit digits என்னவா இருக்கு? Different இருக்கு. Whenever unit digits are different, never solve the problem completely. Here what is the unit digit? 8. Here what is the unit digit? 7. 8 into 7 how much? 56. My answer should end with 6. Here none of the option ends with 6. That means this is not the answer. Answer is none of the above is the answer. This is the shortcut. First, just to see the options before seeing the questions. If the options have different unit digits, never solve the problem completely. Next shortcut, numbers having a difference of 2. Okay, 99 into 101, 24 into 26, okay, 49 into 51. How you can easily find out? Shortcut number 2. First shortcut I already told. This is the second shortcut. Difference இங்கே எவ்வளவு 2, difference எவ்வளவு 2, difference எவ்வளவு 2, difference எவ்வளவு 2. Whenever difference is 2, take the middle number. What is the middle number? 20. Just you take 20 square and then subtract 1. That is the answer. 20 square is 400. 400 minus 1. What is the answer? 399. 99 into 101. What is the middle number? 100. 100 na evalu? 100 square. 100 square means how much? 10,000. From 10,000 you subtract 1. Answer is 9,999. 24 into 26. What is the middle number? Middle number is 25. 25 means 625. From there you subtract 1. What is the answer? 624. 49 into 51. What is the middle number? 50. 50 square. 2500. அதுலேருந்து 1 minus பண்ணா how much I will get? I will get 2499. That is for finding the product of two numbers having a difference of 2. That is shortcut number 2. Now we are going to shortcut number 3. Finding squares for any number ending with 5. For example, 15 square, 35 square, 65 square, 85 square, 95 square. How to find out squares of numbers ending with 5? Automatically 5 square will be how much? 25. First you write that 25 here. 5 square in our it will be 25. 25, 25 and 25. You take this one. What is the next number? Next number is 2. You multiply it by 2. Answer is 225. 3. The next number is 4. 3 into 4 is 12. 1225. 6. Next number is 7. 6 into 7, 42. 8 into 9, how much? 72. 9 into 10, how much? 90. What is the answer? This is the answer. That is, you can find out any number. Okay. Suppose you want to find, 15 square we have already found out, right? Okay, this is how you have to find out for any number ending with this one. Now, all the students, whether TNPSC, bank, RRB, SSC, you should know squares up to 20. Okay, up to 20 square you should memorize. 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16. Like that, up to 20 square you have to memorize. Okay. You refer to Vision Academy textbook and all, they give all squares there also. Arithmetic book also it is given, Google also it is given. Suppose any number, 16 square, 256, 14 square, 196. Like that the squares will be there. Okay, let me try to do it. 5 square, 25, 6 square, 36, 7 square, 49, 8 square, 64, 9 square, 81, 10 square, 100, 11 square, 121, 12 square, 144, 13 square, 169. It goes like this. 17 square, 289, 18 square, 324. So now I have to find squares up to 99. I'll tell the easiest method. Suppose I have to find out 24 square. 24 square, how I can find out? You take 2 square, how much? 4. 4 square, how much? 16. You take 2 square, you take 4 square. Then you multiply these 3 numbers. 2 into 4, 8. 8 into 16. 16 don't write here, you leave one column and write. 6, 7, 1. 576 is the answer. 24 square, you write 2 square, you write 4 square, then you multiply all these numbers. 2 into 4, 8. 8 into 2, 16. You write 16. Suppose I have to write 62 square, I have to find out. What is 6 square? 36. 2 square, how much? 4. Don't write 4. You write 0, 4. Here, how many digits we are writing? 2 digits. Whenever 1 comes, you write 0, 1. Whenever 2 comes, you write 0, 4. Whenever 3 comes, you write 0, 9. So 6 square is 36, 2 square is 0, 4. You multiply this one. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 6, 24. You write 24. 4, 4, 8, 3. 3, 8, 4, 4. You can easily find out. Okay, any square value you can find out. Suppose I have to find out 91 square. 9 square is 81. 1 square is 0, 1. 9 into 1 into 2, 18. You put 18 here. 1, 8, 2, 8, 2. What is the answer? Answer is 8, 2, 8, 1. Like this you can find out up to 99 square. Okay. Suppose 100. 100 consists of how many zeros? 2 zeros. Suppose I have to find out 104 square. Up to 109 square I am doing. 104 square. 104 is 4 above 100. What you do? 104 plus 4 you write 108. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. You write that 2 zeros. Then what is 4 square? 4 square is 16. What you do? You remove this one and write 16. That is the answer. 104 square. 104 plus 4. 108. 4 square is 16. Answer is 10816. Suppose I want to find the 106 square. Without paper and pen also you can tell. 106 plus 6 is 112. You write 112. What is 6 square? 36. What is the answer? 11236. I want to find the 109 square. 109 plus 9 is 118. 9 square is 81. What is the answer? 11881. So up to 109 square you will be able to do very easily. Suppose I have to find out 1004 square. 1000 consists of how many zeros? 3 zeros. 1004 plus 4, how much? 1008. You write 3 zeros. Then what is 4 square? 4 square is 16. Just here change 16. That is the answer. So very easily you can find out 1008 square you want. 1008 plus 8 is 1016. You add 3 zeros. Okay. What is 8 square? 8 square is 64. What you do? Just you take this 64. This is how you can find out. Okay. Then suppose any two numbers nearby I have to multiply. These are all squares. Suppose I have to multiply 104 and 106. I have to multiply. These are not squares. 104 and 106 I want to multiply. This is how much more? Plus 4 more. This is how much more? Plus 6 more. You write like this. You add this or you add this. Both will give 110 only. Then you add 2 zeros because 100 consists of 2 digits. Now you multiply 4 into 6, how much? 24. Just you remove this one. Write 24. What is the answer? 110, 24. Any number you can do. Suppose 103, 102. How much it will come? That is 03 plus 3. Here plus 2. 103 plus 2, 105. Add 2 zeros. 3 into 2, you add 06. What is the answer? 10506. This is the answer. Nearby. Next is, suppose the numbers are like this. I want to multiply 96 into 108. I want to multiply 96 by 108. This is 4 less than 100. This is 8 more than 100. Anything we have to link to 100. You add this, how much you will get? 104. 108 minus 4, how much? 104. That also it will give only 0. Plus 8 into minus 4, how much? Minus 32. What is the answer? Answer is 10,368. This is how we can multiply. Next multiplication is 726 into 999. How we can multiply easily? 726 into 999. 999 is near 100, near 1000. That is 1000 minus 1. What you do? Multiply this 726 by 1000. If you multiply, how much it will come? You add 3 zeros. Okay. I have multiplied by 726. Then you subtract 1 times 726. What is the answer? Answer is 725274. This is the answer. Suppose they are asking 726 into 1001. What you do? Instead of subtracting here, you simply add. If you add, what you will get? You will get that answer. Okay. This is how you have to find out squares. Then I will tell that methods to find square roots. Okay. Square roots, how to find out easily. Suppose I have to find out square root of 198,916, square root of 106,929. Okay, how to find out the square roots easily? First you take 198,916 you take. From right side you push two digits, that is like this. Then you put a Tana shape like this. Here you put one number, same number you put and multiply. It should be less than 19. 4 into 4, 16. 9 minus 6 is 3. This 89, you bring it here. This 4, it will become double. Whatever number is on the device, that is quotient, that will be doubled, 8. Then just you put 4 times. Okay, how much it comes? 336. Then you subtract. How much? 53. Now you take 16. This 44 will become 88. Here I have to put a number. I have to put the same number there. If I multiply, I should get 6. If I multiply 4 by 4, I will get 6. If I multiply 6 by 6, I will get 6. Suppose 4 times I will put, let me see. Okay, 4 into 8, only 3200 will come. So you put 8. What I want? 4, no, 6 I want, right? You put 6. What is the answer? Answer is 446. Okay. That is how you have to find out the square roots. Okay. Square roots, that is how you have to find out. Now, we will come to fractions. Now we will come to fractions. Suppose the question is like this: 15 1 by 3 plus 12 1 by 7 minus 6 2 by 3 plus 5 2 by 7 minus 15. Question is simplify. Find the value of this one. Before doing these fractions questions, we must know what do you mean by proper fraction. 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 5 by 7. These are all called proper fractions. PRO, PR. These are all called proper fractions. Whenever numerator is less than the denominator, that is called a proper fraction. Suppose 3 by 2, 5 by 3, 7 by 4 are there. These are called improper fractions. Okay. You should always give the answer in proper fraction. Numerator should be less than the denominator. Now what you do? You take this 15. 15 plus 12. How much? 27. 27 minus 6. 21. 21 plus 5. 26. 26 minus 15. How much it comes? It comes 11. You keep it separately. Okay. You keep separately. 15 plus 12, 17 minus 6, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. 16 minus 5. Yeah. 16 minus 15. Okay, that is you get how much? Only 1, right? You get 1. 1 only you are getting. Again repeating. 15, 27, 21, 26. 26 le 15 gonna how much? That is 26, 11. Now here 1 by 3 is here, minus 2 by 3 is the, which is bigger? 2 by 3 is bigger. So it is minus 1 by 3. 1 by 7 is here, 2 by 7 is here, that is plus 3 by 7. Okay. For 3 and 7, least common multiple is 21. You take 21 here. 21 divided by 3, 7. 7 into minus 1, 7. 21 divided by 7, 3. 3 into 3, 9. 9 minus 7, 2. 2 by 21. Okay. Let us check it very quickly. 15, 27, 32. 32 minus 21, 11. That is we got 11. Now fraction I am having 2 by 21. What is the answer? Answer is 11. 2 by 21 is the answer. Okay. Here 2 is a proper fraction. 2 by 21 is a proper fraction. So my answer is 11. 2 by 21. Suppose instead of 2 by 21, I am getting, let me say 7 by 5. How I have to give the answer? 7 by 5, 1 5s are 5, remainder how much? 2, 2 by 7, okay, because 7 by 5 is improper fraction, 1 5s are 5, 2 by 5, 1 2 by 5, already I am having 11, now you add, answer will be 11, 2 by 5, that is, my answer should always be in proper fraction only. Okay. Suppose negative comes, what I to do? Suppose I get 11 here. I added all fractions. I got 7 by 3. Fractions when I added, I got minus 7 by 3. How I can do it? Just you simplify it. This is a minus 2 1 by 3. What you do? You take 11. Here minus 2 is there. So you subtract 3 from here. 11 minus 3. Okay. Oh, not you do it. Do it. You will take 8 plus 3 minus 2 1 by 3. உங்களுக்கு என்ன வேணும்? 2 1 by 3 வேணும். You take 3. 3 ல 2 போனா எவ்வளவு? 1. 1 1 by 3 how much? 2 by 3. What is the value of this one? 2 by 3. Here 8 is the answer. How much? 8. 2 by 3. This is the answer. வாய்ஸ் மேல் வேற கேட்குறப்ப செக் பண்ணுங்க. This is how you have to do fractions. Now, another area, decimals. Okay. Many students are afraid of decimals. You need not be afraid. RRB, SSC, bank, TNPSC, police, all exam they give decimals. Suppose the question is like this: 0.31 plus 0.4247 minus 0.263 plus 1.1842. How to do without errors? After dot, how many digits are there? 2 digits, 4 digits, 3 digits, 4 digits. 4 digits is the highest. Convert everything into 4 digits. This is plus, correct? You take 1.1842 here. You take this 0.4247. This is also plus. What about 0.31? That is also plus, correct? 0.31. Okay. You add 2 zeros to the right side. Whenever to the decimals, if you add zeros to the right side, the value will not be affected. So I am taking 1.1842, 0.4247 and 0.31. I want to do without any error. So you add 0 here. How much it comes? 1.9189. You write this 1.9189. Here how much minus is? 0.263. Here also you add 0 to avoid any error. 9, 5. What is the answer? 1.6559. If you do like this, you will never do any mistake at all. No chance at all. So, all plus you take it separately. Ensure that the right side all digits are equal. If not equal, you add 0 to the right side. By adding 0 to the right side, it will not affect the value. That is about addition and subtraction. Now let us go to multiplication. How we have to do it easily? 0.3 into 0.022. Without error, how we can find out? 3 into 22, how much is 66? You write 66. After dot, right side, how many digits are there? 1 digit. Here, 1, 2, 3. Here, 1 digit. Here, how many digits? 3. You add both. That is 4 digits. After dot, my answer should contain 4 digits. You put it here. 0, 0. Don't put 0, 0 that side. It doesn't have any value at all. So what is the answer? Answer is a 0.0066. This is the answer. Now, we'll combine with the square roots also. Suppose 0.4 into 0.4. How much it is? 0.16. Because after dot, how many digits? 1 digit. After dot, how many digits? 1 digit. 1 plus 1, 2 digits. This is for square because the same number. Suppose I am taking square root of 0.16. Without error, how I have to do? 16, you find the square root. How much it is? 4. After dot, how many digits are there? 2 digits are there. Just to divide it by 2. That is, after dot, only one digit should be there. What is the answer? 0.4. Your examination question will not be this much, this easy. How they will give the question? SSC, bank, etc. They give like this. Find the square root of not 16. How we have to do? 16 square root is 4. You right? After dot, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So you keep the dot here. 1, 2, 3. 4 digits on the top. What is the answer? This is the answer. Within 1 second, you can find the answer. Now, 0.3 into 0.3 into 0.3. 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 3, 27. You write 27. After dot, 1 digit, 1 digit, 1 digit. After dot, 3 digits should be there. 0.027. What is the answer? 0.027. This is cube of 0.3. Suppose I have to find out the cube root of 0.027. Okay. I have to find out 0.027. Thus, for 27, you find the cube root. What is the answer? 3. Here, after a dot, how many digits are there? 3 digits are there. Square, you divided by 2. For cube, you divide by 3. What is it? 1. After dot, 1 digit should be there. What is the answer? 0.3. Suppose the question is like this. Okay. You are asked to find out the cube root of 0.00000064. 4 cube is 64. You write to 4. After dot, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 you divide by 3. After dot, my answer should contain 3 digits. You put 0.004. What is the answer? 0.004. Decimals, so this is how you have to find out. Okay. Next is multiplication and division. Suppose question is okay, it's coming like this. 0.0064 into 0.0025 divided by naught. How to read it without any error? First you take 64, you take 25. Just divided by 8 and 5. Ignore all decimals. 8 8s are 64. 5 5s are 25, 8 into 5, 40. That 40, to keep it as such. Now go to numerator. After dot, how many digits are there? Just to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Numerator, how many digits? 7. Come to denominator. After dot, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Denominator, how many digits are there? 10 digits are there. Very simple counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Find the difference. How much? 3. Whenever denominator is having more, what answer you got, to that you add 3 zeros. This is the answer for this question. Okay, very easily you can do it. 0.0064 into 0.025. This one answer is 40,000. Okay. Suppose just you note down. If you want, you can note down 0.0064 into 0.025. This one. Just you can note down that question also. Okay, so that whenever in future if you want to verify, you can verify. Okay, suppose the question is otherwise. What do you mean by otherwise? Okay. Suppose this one you have to simplify. Just like that the previous question, how 60/80, how much answer you got? You got 40. You write that 40 here. Now you take numerator. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Denominator 1, 2, 3, 4. How many difference? Difference is 7. Okay. Which is having more? Numerator is having more. What you do? You don't disturb this one. Just you put a dot here. Including this, it should contain 7 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the answer? Until then, don't disturb that 40. That 0 should be there only. Including this. Okay, adukapra 0 kandadu value kadiyadu. Appo what is the answer? Because 4 kapra 0 vanda ennathum. Value is not there. What is the answer? This is the answer. Actually here, other 7 digits போடுற வரைக்கும் what we should not do? We should not disturb it, including this 0 only. 7 digits should be there. Okay. Then next question, addition. 7 Okay. The same number is coming. How we can easily add 7 plus 777 plus 7,777 and all. First you check how many sevens are there. 1, here 2, here 3, here 4, here 5. It is in order, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Even here next number is also there. Let us see. This is also there. Just you have to check whether the same number is there. Whether all orders are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is there. Then you take the highest number. Go on, reduce. 6 into 7, 42. Carry over 4. 5 into 7, 35. 35 plus 4, 39. Carry over 3. 4 into 7, 28. 28 plus 3, 31. 3. 3 into 7, 21. 21 plus 3, 24. 2. 2 into 7, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. Carry over 1. 1 into 7, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. What is the answer for this question? This is the answer. 8,64,192. When you can do this one, number should be same. It should have a progressive of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Suppose 77 is not there, you cannot do it. Okay, or 777 is not there, you cannot do it. If you do, then you have to subtract it. That is a double work. So if it is consecutive, once again repeating, 6 sevens are 42, 4, 5 sevens are 35, 35 plus 4, 39, carry over 3, 3 sevens are 21, 21 plus 3, 24, 2, 2 sevens are 14, 16, carry over 1, 1 sevens are 7, 7 plus 1, 8. This is the answer. This is without any decimals. If decimals are there, what we have to do? Suppose the question is like this. Okay. Suppose the question is like this. 0.6666. The number is same. Here what is that? Decimals are there. Here how many digits are there? 5. Here 1 digit. Here 2 digits are there. Here how many digits? 3 digits. Here 4 digits are there. Here number should be same, but it should have decimals. Then previous question you started 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you start with 1. Don't do 1 6 are 6, 2 6 are 12. Carry over 1. 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 1, 19. 1. 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 1, 25. 2. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 2 how much? 32. Here we have to start from the lowest number. 1 6 are 6, 2 6 are 12, carry over 1, 3 6 are 18, 18 plus 1, 19, 1, 4 6 are 24, 24 plus 1, 25, carry over 2, 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 2, 32. Here because how many numbers are there? Only 5 numbers are there. Within 10 seconds you can solve this problem. Here after dot which contains maximum number of digits? 5. So count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the answer? Answer is 3.25926. The condition is you should know this condition. Number should be same. Decimals. Okay, then Now we go to, I have to multiply 7688, okay, by 111. 7688, I have to multiply it by 111. See, there are two methods. One, you multiply 7688 and then add. What is 111? This is 100 plus 10 plus 1. Okay, either way you can do. Normal method you can do 1768 or 7688. Okay. You can add. You can do like this. Otherwise, 76, 88, 100 means how many zeros? 10. Then 768, 80, 7688. Okay, if you add, you get. How much you will get? You will get the same answer. You can multiply by 100, 10, and then 1. Now that is not a big issue. Either way you can do. But how to find 11 square, 111 square, 11 square, easily. Whenever the numbers are connected like this, 1, 1, 1, etc. First case, how many ones are there? 2 ones are there. You start with 1, go up to 1, come back to 1. What is the answer? 1, 2, 1. Here, how many ones are there? 3 ones are there. You start from 1, go to 2, go to 3. Again, come back in the same fashion. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. How I climbed? I have to get down. This is the easy one. Here, how many ones are there? 5 ones are there. What is the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Same shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is the answer. Here, how many? 3, 5, 7 are there. So, answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. எப்படி ஏறணுமோ அதே மாதிரி வந்து we have to get down. This is for finding squares. This is also SSC question. Okay. Now, in another SSC exam they had asked, what is the square root of this one? See, you should not take the square root for this one. How it goes? 1, 2, 3, 4. Again it comes down. Up to 4 times it goes. What is the answer? Answer is 1, 1, 1, 1. This is the answer for finding the squares. Okay. Then next we'll go to cubes. One cube, 1. 2 cube, 8. 3 cube, 27. 4 cube, 64. 5 cube, 125. 6 cube 216, 7 cube 343, 8 cube 512, 9 cube 729, 10 cube 1000. Okay, up to 15 cube you remember. Now, how to find cube roots easily? How to find cube roots easily? Find the cube root of 314432. How to find the cube root of 373 248? Next. How to find cube root of 636 056? Okay. How we can easily find out? Cube root means from right side you push 3 digits, 3 digits, 3 digits. Then this come to 314. Where is that 314? It is between 6 cube and 7 cube. 6 cube 7 cube நடுவுல இருக்கு. அப்ப first you write the number 6. It ends with 2. You go here where 2 ends with 8. What is the answer? Answer is 68. So, cube root of 31432 is 68. Now, cube root of 373 248. Now you come to 373. 373 is between 7 cube and 8 cube. So you write 7. Where is my 8? You go here, search where 8 is. 8 is here, where? In 2. What is the answer? Answer is 2. Now you take 636. 636 is where? Between 8 cube and 9 cube. First number is 8. And it ends with 6. You go on search for 6. Where it is? 6 is here. 6. What is the answer? Answer is 86. This is how you have to do. Okay. So just you memorize up to 15 cube. But in the cube root, that is we need up to 10 cube. Okay. This is then decimals. Suppose I have to divide 648 divided by 5, 322 divided by 25, 744 divided by 125. How I can do it easily? Suppose options are in decimals. You know that 648 cannot be divided by 5, 322 cannot be divided by 25 without remainders. I can divide, but we will get remainder. What you do? You convert this one into 10, multiply by 2. This also you multiply by 2. How much it will come? 1296 divided by 10. 10 is there. That means what is the answer? 129.6 is the answer. Now 322 cannot be divided by 25. Multiply this by 4. This also by 4. How much it comes? 1288 divided by 100. That means what is the answer? 2 digits we have to push it. Answer comes 12.88. This side. 744 cannot be divided by 125. You multiply this by 8. 8 into 125 is 1000. This also you multiply by 8. 8 fours are 32, 3. 8 fours are 32, 35, 3. 8 sevens are 56, 56 plus 3, 59. Divided by 1000. That is, how many zeros? Answer 5.952. This is the answer for the question. Okay. Whenever 5 is coming, multiply by 2. Whenever 25 is coming, you multiply by 4. Whenever 125 is coming, you multiply by 8. Okay. This is how you have to do. Next is, suppose question is like this and the options are like this. Suppose I have to divide a big number, especially data interpretation and other questions, SSC and all. 216 divided by 16207. Okay. 334 216 divided by 16207. Okay. Suppose the options are 2.7623, 2.1405, 2.2389. Another option is 2.8800. Suppose these are the options, or even you can say some options are there. Okay. So this is such a big number. You cannot divide it, right? It is very little bit difficult. Here 7 is there, 1 is there, 8 is there, some variation is there, some margin is there. That means you can take an element of risk. What you do? Here 207, just you remove it. 216 you remove. How much it is? 334. 334, 116. That is, how many times it is? Approximately 3 times it is there. Here 100 is there. Numerator 300 is there. That is approximately 3 times is there. What you do? You subtract 16 from here and you subtract 48 from here. Why 48? Numerator is 3 times there. 3 into 16 how much? 48. So you subtract 48. So 286 divided by how much it will come? 100. So my answer should be near 2.86. Near 2.86, which answer is that? What is this answer is that? So what is the answer? Answer is 2.8760. So you can do large divisions like this. Okay, then a ratio and proportion. Suppose they are giving the fractions 3 by 4, 5 by 9, 7 by 11, and then 4 by 9. Okay, something whichever 4 by 9 or not, 5 by 9 अगर करें. Suppose here it is 4 by 7. They give these fractions. Suppose the question is, which is the largest fraction? Okay, do not take LCM and down. You can very quickly compare. Which is the largest fraction? Which is the smallest fraction? Write it in ascending order. Write it in descending order. There is 4 types of questions are there. Largest fraction, smallest fraction. Write it in ascending order. Write it in descending order. What you do? This 3 cannot be divided by 4. 5 cannot be divided by 4. 7 cannot be divided by 4. 4 cannot be divided. So what you do? You put a dot like this. Now 30, 3 ki pakathula you add 1 0. 30, 7 fours are 28. Remainder 20. 20 means 20 divided by 4. 5. 3. L3 you add a point and then 5 by 9 add 0. 50 by 9. 5 9s are 45. Remainder 5. 5 9s are 45. You keep it. 7 by 9 you put a dot. 70 by 11. 6 11s are 66. Remainder 40. 3 11s are 33. 4 by 7 0. 5 7s are 35. 50. 7 7s are 49. Suppose they ask which is the largest fraction, answer is 0.75. Which is the smallest fraction? This is the smallest fraction. If they ask you to write it in ascending order, which is the smallest number? This is the smallest number. Which is the next number? This one. Next one, this one. Next one, this one. So, ascending order, you write 5 by 9 and then 4 by 7, then 7 by 11, then 3 by 4. You write. This is how. See, 4 types of questions you can solve. Write it in ascending order, write it in descending order, smallest fraction and largest fraction. Okay. For 5 minutes. Dear students, we continue. Next area, shortcut के average. Okay, this is very important. Average எங்க வரும்? Direct question से average வரும். Ratio proportional sometimes it வரும். Data interpretation அடிக்கடி வரும். What do you mean by average? Suppose 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. Okay, 110. What is the average of this one? Normally what we will do? We will add all and then divide it by மொத்தம் எவ்வளவு இருக்கு 7. This is normal procedure. For example, இது எல்லாத்தையும் ஆட் பண்ணா எவ்வளவு வரும் 0. ஓகே, இதெல்லாம் டிவைட் பண்ணனும். 7 ஆல டிவைட் பண்ணா ஆவரேஜ் எவ்வளவு வரும்? Average will come to 80. But we need not do every time like this. Here, ஒரு நம்பருக்கு இன்னொரு நம்பருக்கு உள்ள டிஃபரன்ஸ் எவ்வளவு? சேம் நம்பர் 10. சேம் நம்பர் இருந்தா there are two shortcut methods. One, number of numbers மொத்தம் எவ்வளவு இருக்கு? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 is an odd number. If the difference is same and the number of numbers is odd, the middle number is the average. What is the average? Average is 80 is the average. Okay, that is one method. Otherwise, you can take the first number, you can take the last number, and then you add both and divide it by 2. How much it is? 80. This method is very easy. Whenever the difference is the same, take the first number, take the last number, add and divide by 2. Sometimes they give you a question like this. Find the average of 3, 6, 9, 12. Again, what they do? They give 999. Okay. Definitely, what we cannot do, we cannot add all the numbers and then do. Here, difference is same. First number is 3. Last number is 999. You add both. How much it will come? 1002 will come. Divided by 2, how much it will come? 501. This is how you have to find out the average. This is one method when the difference is same. Suppose a number is data interpretation and other topics, it comes like this. Find the average of 10,650, 9,950, 10,200, 9,750 and 9,900. Okay, here the difference is not same. Okay, but what is the short method? When you observe the numbers, all these numbers are near 10,000. அப்ப இது எவ்வளவு ஜாஸ்தி இருக்கு? 650 ஜாஸ்தி இருக்கு. இது எவ்வளவு கம்மி இருக்கு? 50 கம்மியா இருக்கு. இது எவ்வளவு ஜாஸ்தி இருக்கு? 200 ஜாஸ்தி இருக்கு. அது எவ்வளவு கம்மி இருக்கு? 250 10,000க்கு கம்மியா இருக்கு. அது வந்து எவ்வளவு கம்மி இருக்கு? 100 கம்மி இருக்கு. See, identify the common number. Common number identify பண்ணா என்ன இருக்கு? பிளஸ்ல எவ்வளவு வருது? பிளஸ் 850. மைனஸ்ல எவ்வளவு? 300 400 மைனஸ் 400. ஓகே, அப்ப 850 பெருசா 400 பெருசா? 850 தான் பெருசு. டிஃபரன்ஸ் எவ்வளவு? 450. 850 minus 400, 450. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's divided by 5. That is 90. What is the common number? 10,000. What is the average? Average is 10,000. 90 is the average. Okay, this is how you can find out. Okay, using the common number. Next method, shortcut method. Starting point I told unit digit method. Next question, digit sum method. Shortcut for solving problems under digit sum method. 100% this method will not work out. Nearly 70%, 70 to 80% of the questions it will work out. Okay, then when it will work, when it will not work, that I will tell. Accordingly you can use the questions. Okay. What do you mean by digit sum? Suppose 52, 73, 458 is there. 5 is a digit, 2 is a digit, 7 is a digit, 3 etc. digits. Digit sum. Name itself sum. Add all. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 3, 17. 17 plus 4, 21. 21 plus 5, 26. 26 plus 8, how much? 34. This 3 and 4 you add, you will get 7. What is the digit sum? Digit sum is 7. Another point in digit sum is concerned, whenever a total of 9 comes, that is treated as 0. What is 5 plus 4? 0. 7 plus 2 is 0. Here I added and showed you that digit sum is 7. Now you see, 7 plus 2 how much? 0. 5 plus 4 how much? 0. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 8 how much? 16. 1 plus 6 how much? 7. Clear? Now, using this method, how we can solve the problems, let us see. 1. Question is 256 into 256 plus 173 into 173. I'll tell the plus point as well as minus points for this one. Options are 96432, 94465, 95465, and then 90512. These are the answers options. Our normal method is multiply this one 256 and 256. Here I cannot apply unit digit concept because with the two numbers are coming, with 5 numbers are coming. So I cannot apply unit digit concept. I am going for digit sum method. Okay, we are doing by a different method. This method will be very useful when you are solving simplification questions, mainly data interpretation, etc. I told you 9 means 0, 6 plus 3 how much is 0, 4 plus 2 how much is 6. That is the digit sum. 9 means 0, 4 plus 5 0, 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 means what? 1 plus 0, that is equal to 1. 9 0, 5 and 4 0, 6 plus 5 11. 11 means how much? 1 plus 1 2. 9 is 0, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 2 how much? 8. Because I am explaining, it takes time. When you are doing, you can do it fatafat. Just add. 2 plus 5 7. 7 plus 6 13. 13 means how much? 4. 4 into 4 how much? 16. 16 means how much? 7 plus 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 3 11. 11 means how much? 2. 2 into 2 how much? 4. 7 plus 4 how much? 11. 11 means how much? 2. What is the answer? Answer is 95465 is the answer. Okay, 95465 is the answer. Large multiplications you can do by this method. Okay, next. Question is, find the value of x 28.754 plus 123.74 minus 92.365 is equal to x minus 368.1246. See, imagine how many digits are there, this side, that side, etc. Options are also very lengthy. 430.0186, then 463.7225, 428.2536, 481.2738. Okay, as I already told you, because I am explaining, it takes time. Once you understand, it will be easy for you to do the problems. Very quickly let us do. 8 and 1, 0, 6 and 3, 0. How much it is? 4. Okay, 7 and 2, 0, 6 and 3, 0, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 means how much? 2. Now, 6 and 3, 9. 5, 7, 2. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 means how much? 3. 7 and 2, 0. 8 and 1, 0. 8 plus 4, 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 means how much? 6. 1 plus 5, 6. Whenever same digit sum is coming, you should not continue the method. You have to stop doing it. Because which answer you can mark, you do not know. Here, just like unit digit, all digit sum should be different. Then only I can do it. Now, let us see. 7 plus 2, how much? 9. 5 plus 4, how much? 9. That is 8. plus 7 plus 2, how much? 9. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 1, how much? 8 minus 9, cancel. 3 and 6 cancel. 2 plus 5, how much? 7. X is there, minus will come this side, that is it will become plus. What happens? 6 and 3 gets cancelled, 8 and 1 gets cancelled, 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 means how much? 3. That minus 3 will become plus 3. 8 plus 8, 16, 16 minus 7, how much? 9. 9 means how much? 0. What is the answer? 3. What is the answer for this question? 4, 28.2536. This is the best method to solve. If you know this technique, just in 1 second you can solve the problem. Okay. Next question. So I will tell the advantages as well as the disadvantages also. Next. Four, 6, 2 divided by 97 plus 34 into 43 minus 96 plus 69 is equal to what? Options are 1276, 1481, 1361, 1376. Okay. See, 7 plus 2, that is 0. 6 plus 1, how much? 7. 8 plus 1, 0. 1 plus 4, how much? 5. 6 plus 3, 0. 1 plus 1, 2. Then 6 plus 3, 0. 7 plus 1, 8. All the 4 unit digits, all the digit sums are different. Then 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. 16 means how much? 7. 9 will go. 7 divided by 7. What happened? This comes to 1. Right? 3 plus 4, 7. Into 7. 4 plus 3, how much? 7. 7 into 7, 49. 49 means 4 plus 9, how much? 13. 13 means how much? 4. Minus 9, 0, 9, 0. Minus 6 and plus 6 will be 0. So 1 plus 4, how much? 5. What is the answer? This is the answer. Within 20 seconds you will be able to solve these problems. Okay. Then next question. This question, sometimes you may have to apply some short tricks also. For example, the question is 4 cube into 5 to the power 4 divided by 4 to the power 5, how much? Okay. Then what is the answer? Options are 30.6 0925 39.0625 35.6015 900. These are the options. Okay. Now let us see. Here 9 is cancelled. 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 3 10. 10 means how much? 1. Then 9 is cancelled. 6 and 3 is cancelled. 2 plus 5 how much is 7. Then 6 plus 3 is cancelled. 5 plus 5 10. 10 plus 1 11. 11 means how much? 2. 9 in that means how much? 0. So I am getting all the 4 digit sums different. 4 cube. 4 into 4 into 4, how much is 64? 64 means what? 6 plus 4, 10. 10 means how much? 1. So 1 is not going to affect at all. 5 to the power 4. 5 into 5, 25. 25 into 5, how much? 125 divided by 4 to the power 5. That is 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. Okay. How much this time it will come? 5, 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 5, how much? 8. Correct? 4 cube? No. What I did? 5 cube, no. 5 cube means 6. 625. What is the numerator? That is 7 there. 6 plus 2, 8, 7. This is not 7. 5 to the power 4, 5 into 5. 25, 25 square is 625. That is 4 it will come. 4 into 4, how much? 64. 4 into 4, how much is 64? Okay. Then 64 means how much? 1. That is 4. How the answer goes? Where I have put it? 625. This is not 4 to the power 5. 4 square. Okay. Then the weight. This is 4 square. Okay, that is 16. 16 means how much? 7. 4 cube divided 4 cube divided by 4 square, that is 4 by 7. See, remember, these are all digit sums. So, whenever 7 comes, our aim should be to make it into 1. How we can do? I can multiply it by 4. You multiply this also by 4. 7 into 4, how much? 28. 28 means how much? 2 plus 8, 10. 10 means how much? 1 plus 0. So, denominator will become digit sum 1. 4 into 4, 16. 16 means what? 7. My answer should be this one. One more problem we will do in this one. Okay. One more problem. This will be very useful for bank and SSC aspirants. This digit sum method will be very useful for SSC and bank students. Next question, simplify 54% of 7865 plus 17% of 532 minus 39% of 4269. Okay. If you do by normal method, it will take a lot of time. Options are 2072.35, 2420.76, 2672.63, 2570.36. Okay. See, imagine 39 by 100 into 4269. If you multiply, how much time it will take? 54 by 100 into 7865. If you multiply, how much time it will take? 17% of 17 by 100 in 532. Here I cannot follow unit digit concept because here it ends with 6, here also it ends with 6. So, unit digit concept I cannot do. I can try digit sum method. Let us say 7 plus 2 is 0, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 means how much? 1. Then 7 and 2 gets cancelled, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 means 1 plus 2, how much? 3, 12, 1 plus 2, 3. 6 and 3 gets cancelled, 7 and 2 gets cancelled, 2 and 6 gets how much? 8. 6 and 3 gets cancelled, 7 and 2 gets cancelled. What is this? See, the number looks big, very big. But if you calculate 9, 9, 9 and all, everything it gets 0. It gets very easily. Now, this problem you can solve within 30 seconds, 20 seconds, 20 vinadigal. You can solve the entire problem very easily. 5 plus 4, how much? 9. 9 means how much? 0. 0 multiplied by any number, how much is 0? 1 plus 7, how much? 8. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 into 2, 8 plus 2, 10. 10 means how much? 1. 8 into 1, how much? 8. That means here 0 plus 8 minus 9. It gets cancelled. 9 gets cancelled. 3 multiplied. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 means how much? 3. 3 into 3, how much? 9. That is 0. So my answer should end with what? 8. Which is the answer? This is the answer. Concept is clear? 2672.63. This is the answer for this question. Okay. See, when we cannot apply, whenever the same digits are coming, we cannot apply. Okay. Some restrictions are there, but many problems you will be able to solve. Okay. That is about the digits now. Now I will tell a ratio and proportion shortcuts. Okay, this will be very useful for TNPSC, police and all other exams. Ratio and proportion. Suppose A is to B is 2 is to 3. Remember, A's value is not 2, B's value is not 3. A's value may be 2, may be 3, it may be 20, 30 also. 200, 300 also, 2 crore, 3 crore also. I can say A is to B, 2 is to 3 means I can say A by B is equal to 2 by 3. A, you have to always say value as 2x, B is equal to 3x. Okay. Depending upon the value of x, if the value of x is 1, both are 2 and 3. If the value of x is 10, then they are 20, 30, etc. This is about basic of this one. Here ratio and proportion, what are the questions come? 1. Suppose they say A is to be 3 by 4 is to 4 by 5. B is to C 2 by 3 is to 5 by 7. Find A is to B is to C. They are giving in a mixer fraction form. Do not do anything. What is A is to B? Just multiply 3 by 5. What is the answer? 15. What is B value? 4 into 4, how much? 16. You write like this. Similarly, what is B is to C? Just cross multiply. 2 into 7, 14. 5 into 3, how much? 15. So you simplify that one, just opposite and cross multiply. Then A is to B is 15 is to 16. B is to C 14 is to 15. Suppose they ask A is to B is to C, or A is to C, or C is to A. Whatever they ask, what is the procedure? You write like this. Suppose they give straight away 15, 16, fine, instead of fraction. Sometimes they give fractions also. The method used here is down, cross, down, down, cross, down. What do you mean by down, cross, down? Down, cross, down. 15 you multiply by 14. How to multiply easily? Break that 14 as a 10 and 4. 15 into 10 how much? 150. 15 into 4 how much? 60. 150 plus 60 how much? 210. I am breaking 14 as 10 and 4. 15 into 10, 150. 15 into 4, 60. Add both. You will get 210. Down, cross. Now 14 into 16. 4 16s are 64. Remainder 6. 1 16s are 16. 224. Then 16 into 15. 90. Remainder 1. 1 15s are 15. 240. Okay. These are all even numbers. இரட்டைப்படை எண்கள். You can simplify 105, 112, 120. What is the answer? This is the answer for this question. Very simply you can read. Just cross multiply, down, cross, down. Suppose they ask what is A is to C, then you write 105 is to 120. Again you can simplify also, right? 7 15s are 105, 8 15s are 120. You can do like this. So, sometimes they give A is to B. Okay, I'll give it another form. Suppose they give, straight away they give A is to B, 2 is to 3, B is to C, 5 is to 7, 5 is to 6. Very simple. What is A is to B is to C? 2 into 5, 10. 5 into 3, 15. 3 into 6, how much? 18. What is the answer? 10 is to 15 is to 18. That is the answer. Suppose 4 numbers are coming. What we have to do? Suppose they say A is to B, 1 is to 2, B is to C, 2 is to 5, C is to D, let me say 3 is to 7. Suppose they ask what is A is to, B is to, C is to D, or B is to D, or anything, A is to D. After giving 4 numbers, they can ask anything. In that case, what you do? Down cross down will not work out. You write A, you write B, you write C, you write D. A is to B, 1 is to 2. Here 2 columns are there. Just to copy this number 2. Right at the number, just you copy. B is to C is 2 is to 5. B is to C is 5. Pakkathula, this number you copy. That is 2. Inge pakkathula, just you copy this number. C is to D, 3 is to 7. C, 3, D, 7. You copy this number. Pakkathula edhu number irukko adu appadiye copy pannunga. 3. Everything straight multiplication. 1 into 2 into 3, how much? 6. 2 into 2 into 4, how much? 12. 5 into 3, 15. 30. 2 into 5, 10 into 7, how much? 70. All are even numbers. That means I can simplify. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 15, 35. I cannot simplify further. That means what is the value of A is to B is to C is to D? 3 is to 6 is to 15 is to 35. This is the answer. Okay, this you can do. Next is, suppose they are asking, I'll tell the shortcuts in ratio and proportion. A by 2, this is useful for TNPSC students and bodies. B by 3 is equal to C by 7. Suppose they ask, what is A is to B is to C? Don't do anything. Simply copy these numbers. That is the shortcut. Don't do anything. A க்கு கீழ என்ன நம்பர் இருக்கோ அந்த நம்பர் அப்படியே காப்பி பண்ணிக்கணும். B க்கு கீழ என்ன நம்பர் இருக்கோ அந்த நம்பர் அப்படியே காப்பி பண்ணிக்கணும். Suppose they ask A plus B plus C by C how much? அப்படின்னு கேட்டா then also no problem. A க்கு நேர் என்ன இருக்கு 2, B க்கு நேர் என்ன இருக்கு 3, C க்கு நேர் என்ன இருக்கு 7 divided by 7. What is the answer? 12 by 7. That is A plus A is to B is to C in theta. Straight away you can copy that number. Apra A plus B plus C by C. Then get up. Straight away you can mark the answer as 12. Another area, Thalagir Vigidam, it will come. That is inverse ratio. This is very useful, especially boats and steams, time and the distance. When speed increases, time decreases. When speed decreases, time increases. Suppose example 2 is to 5. இதனுடைய inverse ratio என்னன்னு கேட்டா just you write it as 5 is to 2. அவ்வளவுதான். At least தலைகெழுத்துக்கு அப்படியே போடணும், வேற ஒன்றும் பண்ண வேண்டாம். Suppose 3 numbers are there. 3 is to 5 is to 7. What is the inverse ratio? Then get what is the shortcut? Just keep hide this number 3. First number. Numbers visible are 5 and 7. 5 into 7 how much? 35. You multiply. In the kaya, abde inge nagathanum. 3 into 7 how much? 21. 7 inge vechukkanum. 3 into 5 how 15. This is the answer. Once again repeat it. Suppose 2 is to 3 is to 5. What is the inverse ratio? Hide the first number 2. 3 and 5. Multiply 15. Then move your hand like this. 2 and 5 multiply 10. Move your hand like this. Answer 15 is to 10 is to 6. This is how you have to do this one. Okay. That is then that is formula. This is first one. Okay. Right. Suppose there are 4 formulas. இது வந்து TNPSC, police, TET இவங்களுக்கெல்லாம் ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். Second proportion, third proportion, fourth proportion. There are 4 formulas for this one. Very difficult to remember these formula. Suppose A is to B is in proportion to C is to D இருந்தால் A க்கு பேர் என்னன்னு கேட்டா first proportion, B க்கு பேர் என்னன்னா second proportion, C க்கு பேர் என்ன third proportion, D க்கு பேர் என்னன்னா fourth proportion. 1, 2, 3, 4. You need not remember the formula. Simply நடு ரெண்டு நம்பரை மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா எதுக்கு ஈக்குவலா இருக்கும்? A and D மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா ஈக்குவலா இருக்கும். That is A into D will be equal to what? B into C. Do not memorize the formula. Middle number ரெண்டுத்தை மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா that will be equal to product of the extremes. இப்போ சப்போஸ் எனக்கு ஃபார்முலா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ப்ரொபோஷனுக்கு வேணும். அப்போ A வேணும்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? B into C divided by D. அப்போ என்ன ஃபார்முலா? B னா என்னது? செகண்ட். C னா என்னது? தேர்ட். 4D னா என்னது? fourth. So without memorizing the formula, you can do this one. B into C, D. அதே மாதிரி எந்த ப்ரொபோர்ஷன் C வேணும்னா A into D by B. Suppose அதே மாதிரி compound ratio. Compound ratio, suppose 2 is to 3, 4 is to 5, 7 is to 8. இப்படி இருக்குன்னா compound ratio என்னது? Take first number, take first number, for take first number. 2 into 4 into 7 is to second is to take second 3 into 5 into 8. 56 is to இது அப்படியே அடிக்கலாம் இல்லையா? அது என்ன 8 கேன்சல். ஆன்சர் என்ன? 7 is to 15. 8 கேன்சல் பண்ணிடலாம். 7 into 10, that is 36, right? Next, that is about ratio and proportion. Then speed maximum. Another important area, divisibility rules. Then we are going to divisibility rules. Okay, divisibility rules தெரிஞ்சால you will be able to solve the problems easily. That number is there. This is applicable for all exams. TNPSC, police, bank, RRB, SSC, TET, LRB. Whether this number is divisible by 1, obviously it is divisible by 1. All numbers are divisible by 1. Now, whether it is divisible by 2, go to the last digit 4. Whether 4 is divisible by 2? Yes. If the number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then it is divisible by 2. That means this is divisible by 2. Just to take only one digit. Now you want to see whether the number is divisible by 4. You take 2 digits. Whether 64 is divisible by 4? Yes, 16 fours are 64. That means this is divisible by 4. To be divisible by 8, you take 3 digits. Whether it is divisible by 864? Yes, 1 8s are 8, 0, 8. It is divisible. This is 4. Now to be divisible by 16, I have to see 4 digits. 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit. Take 68, 64 and then divided by 16. 4 16s are 64. Remainder 4, 46. 2 6 are 32, 12. 32, 4 16s are 64, 46, 32, 12, 124. 124 is it divisible? No. That is, it is not divisible. 124 na 144 ku da divide agum. Okay. Then that number is not divisible by 16. This number is divisible by 2. This number is divisible by 4. This number is divisible by 8. So this number is divisible by 2, this number is divisible by 4, this number is 8, divisible by 8. ரெண்டாம் நம்பருக்கு ஒரே ஒரு டிஜிட் பார்க்கணும், நாலாம் நம்பருக்கு வந்து 2 டிஜிட் பார்க்கணும், எட்டாம் நம்பருக்கு 3 பார்க்கணும், 16க்கு 4 பார்க்கணும், 32க்கு எவ்வளவு பார்க்கணும், 5 பார்த்தா போகணும். Now we are going to another set. Whether the number is divisible by 3, என்ன பண்ணணும், எல்லா டிஜிட்டையும் ஆட் பண்ணணும். We have to add all digits. 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 3 13, 19, 27, 27 plus 4 31, 31 plus 6 எவ்வளவு, 37, 31 plus 6 எவ்வளவு, 37. That means it is number is not divisible by 3. 6 நாள் 10, 13, 19, 8, 27, 27 நாள் 31, 37. Suppose இங்கே 2 இருக்கு, 2 இருந்தா என்ன ஆகும், டோட்டல் 39 னு மாறும். ஓகே, அப்ப இது வரைக்கும் அந்த நம்பர் பார்த்தோம், ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நம்பர். இப்போ now I am adding 2, 39. Whether 39 is divisible by 3? Yes. அப்ப இந்த நம்பர் எதால டிவைட் ஆகும், 3 ஆல டிவைட் ஆகும். As this number is a even number, the number is divisible by 3 also, so it is divisible by 6 also. இது எல்லாத்தையும் டோட்டல் பண்ணா எவ்வளவு வந்தது, 39. Whether 39 is divisible by 9? No. 4 9s are 36. அப்படினா இந்த நம்பர் எதால டிவைட் ஆகாது, 9 ஆல டிவைட் ஆகாது. 3 ஆல டிவைட் ஆகணும்னா எல்லா சம்மும் எதால, த்ரீயால டிவைட் ஆகணும்னா எல்லா சம்மையும் ஆட் பண்ணா 3 டோட்டலுக்கு வந்து டிவைட் ஆகணும். அதே 6னா ஈவன் நம்பரா இருக்கணும். அப்புறம் வந்து ஓகே. ஸோ இப்போ ஒரு நம்பர் இருக்கு, suppose one number is that is 9, 63, 18. So your number is here. Let us check. 3 plus 6 9, 9 plus 9 18, 18 plus 6 24, 24 plus 3 27, 27 plus 1 28, 28 plus 8 36. Whether 36 is divisible by 9, 4 9s are 36. That means that number is divisible by 9. Because it is divisible by 9, it is divisible by 3 also. Because this is a even number, this is divisible by 6 also. Like that you have to find out one. Next important rule is, so 2 4 8 16 வந்து ஒரு செட் ஆஃப் ரூல். 3 6 9 இருக்கு, 12 என்னன்னு அர்த்தம், it should be divisible by 4 and divisible by 3 also. Now I am taking 64, 36, 86, 42. Next important rule. Whether this number is divisible by 11, how to find out? Do not divide it by 11, that takes lot of time. And alternate digit, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 8, 17, 17 plus 4, 21. 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 6, 16, 16 plus 2, 18. Okay, what I have done? I have added alternate digits and find the difference. The difference how much? 3. If the difference is 0 or 11 or 22, that number is divisible by 11. Otherwise it is not divisible by 11. For example, I give you a number. Okay. Whether this number is divisible by 11. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 6, how much? 15. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 4, how much? 15. What is the difference? 0. 0 means this number is divisible by 11. So 11 is tani rule. 11 is tani rule. Add alternate digit and then subtract. Now we will go to another important area. 13 and 7. You have to see 13 and 7. For example, the divisibility rule very important. அப்பதான் வந்து என்ன பண்ண முடியும், ப்ராப்ளத்தையே சால்வ் பண்ண முடியும். ஓகே, now suppose a number is there 635 908 2 4 6 8 க்கெல்லாம் பார்த்தோம், 3 6 9 க்கு பார்த்துட்டோம், 11 க்கு பார்த்துட்டோம். Now we are going to see for 7 and 13. இது ரெண்டுத்துக்கு ஒரே ரூல் தான், same rule is followed. So in the technique தெரிஞ்சதுன்னா easily you will be able to find out that number is divisible or not. Easily you can find out. What you do, from right side you take 3 digits, again you take 3 digits. Suppose 908, you take this 635. எது பெரிய நம்பரோ அதிலிருந்து you subtract. 8 minus 5 3, 10 minus 3 7, 8 minus 6 2. Okay. Now I want to find out whether it is divisible by 7. Just you divide by 7, 3 7s are 21, remainder 63, 9 7s are. That means divisible by 7. Now divide it by 13, 2 13s are 60, 30, 26, remainder 13, divisible by 13 also. This is divisible by 7, this is divisible by 13 also, so it is divisible by 91 also. 7 into 13 எவ்வளவு? 91. 7 and 13. Suppose இங்க 635 இல்ல, இங்க 22 ன்னு இருக்கு. அப்ப என்ன பண்ணணும்? 3 டிஜிட் தான் எடுக்கணும். எப்படி எடுக்கிறேன்? 3 டிஜிட் எடுத்துட்டேன். 908 635. அப்ப இந்த 908 எதோட சேர்த்துக்கணும்? இதோட சேர்த்துக்கணும். சேர்த்தா 908 plus 22 எவ்வளவு? 930. அப்புறம் 635 you subtract. 295. 295 you will get. Just you tell 7th table. 4 7s are 28. Remainder 1 15. So not divisible by 7. 29. 2 13s are 1 13s are 13. 2 13s are 26. 35. Not divisible by 13. Okay. சரி, இது வரைக்கும் ஏதாவது கமெண்ட் வந்திருக்கா? Okay, that is 7 and 13. So that is for the divisibility rules. All students should know tables 1 to 20 at least. squares 1 to 20 at least, cubes at least 1 to 15 cubes you have to memorize. Then only you will be able to do. Similarly, divisibility rule of 2, 4, 6, 8, 16, 11, 7, 13, these are all very essential. 9, 3, 6 also. Now we are going to another area. Simplification, data interpretation, simple interest, compound interest, in all areas it does come. What do you mean by that one? That is percentage. Percentage is what are the short tricks? Percentage means what? Percent for every 100. I will write it on the board. All of you note down. I will keep the screen for some time also. All of you note down. Then you memorize all those. 100 percentage is equal to 100 by 100. That is equal to how much? 1. Whether you say 100% or 1, it is one and the same. What is 75 percentage? 75 by 100. That is equal to 3 by 4. Suppose you have to find out 75 percentage of 400. Don't put 75 by 100 into 400. 3 by 4 into 400. Answer how much? 300. 50 percentage is equal to how much? Half. I will write, just you copy it. 25 percentage is equal to 1 by 4. 20 percentage 1 by 5. 10 percentage 1 by 10. Okay, these are very essential percentages. These are all whole numbers. Now I will give mixed fractions. 11 1 by 9 percentage. That is 9 into 11, 99. 99 plus 1, how much? 100. 100 divided by 900. What is the value? 1 by 9. 99. 99 plus 100. 100 divided by 1 by 9. Similarly, 12.5 percentage. That is equal to 1 by 8. 24. 24 plus what? 25. 25 divided by 200. That is equal to 1 by 8. Okay. 14. 2 by 7 percentage. That is equal to 1 by 7. 16. 2 by 3 percentage is equal to 1 by 6. Then 33, 1 by 3 percentage equal to 1 by 3. 37 and a half percentage equal to 3 by 8. Okay, this one you will remember. These are very essential. Okay, 37.5 percentage. What is the value of 37.5 percentage of 800? Answer 300. In 1 second you can tell. Similarly, this is also required. 12.12 percentage equal to 12 by 99. You can further simplify it. 3 are divide from now. 12.24 percentage. 2 பங்கா இருந்தா எவ்வளவு? 12 by 98. 12.36 percentage. That is 12 by 97. I tell you how to remember easily. 12 12 சேம் வந்திருக்கா ஒரே ஒரு டைம் 100ல இருந்து 1 கம்மி பண்ணனும் எவ்வளவு 99 அந்த நம்பரை அப்படியே போட்டுக்கணும் 12 னா 12 17 னா 17 16 னா 16 ன்னு போட்டுக்கணும் 24 னா எவ்வளவு டைம்ஸ் 2 டைம்ஸ் 100ல இருந்து 2 சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணனும் எவ்வளவு 98 36 னா எவ்வளவு டைம்ஸ் 3 டைம் 100ல இருந்து 3 சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணனும் எவ்வளவு 12/97 இதை இன்னும் கூட சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்ணனும் 4 3s are 12 33 4/33 any number you can do like this suppose இப்படி இருக்கு 14.14% அப்படினா எவ்வளவு 14/99 14.28% ரெண்டு பங்கு இருக்கா கீழ எவ்வளவு போடணும் 14/98 14.42% that is 14/97 ஒரு பங்கு இருந்தா ஒரு வாட்டி 100ல இருந்து 1 சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணனும் ரெண்டு பங்கு இருந்தா ரெண்டு சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணனும் மூணு பங்கு இருந்தா மூணு சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணனும் okay I will keep this screen for some time I will keep it for 5 minutes all of you note down this one on the basis of this only we are going to solve some problems okay just I will keep it for 5 minutes note down quickly. So அது எல்லாத்தையும் அப்படியே நோட் பண்ணிக்கீங்க எல்லாரும் all of you note down all these percentages. This will be very very useful for you in solving many problems, especially simplification, data interpretation, etc. etc. Note down everything. Okay. Next is, you know that off means OF. 2/3 of 15 means what? Multiplication artham illa 2/3 into 15. What is the answer? Answer is 10. Half means what? Multiplication. Suppose I am asking you to find out 20% of 600 20% of 600. Normally what people will do, 20 divided by 100 into 600, they will do it. Remove 2 zeros, remove 2 zeros, 6 into 20, 120. Answer they will make it. Hereafter don't do like this. Whenever you are seeing percentage and off, simply remove 2 zeros. 20 into 6 how much? 120. Suppose I have to find out 20% of 60. Okay. Simply remove 2 zeros. 2 into 6, 12. That is the answer. Don't put 20 by 100 into 60 at all. That is a very lengthy method. Don't do it. Suppose I have to find out 2% of 60. I need 2 zeros, but I am having only 1 zero. Remove 1 zero. 2 into 6, 12. Right? I have not removed 1 zero. So from this direction, you put 1 dot. This direction. What is answer? 1.2. Suppose I have to find out 2% of 6. This is 12. I don't have any zero. That means from this direction, 1, 2. What is that one? 0.12. 0.12 is the answer. Okay, this is the method. Why this method is very useful? I'll tell you. See, a simplification question comes. How it is? 16 2 by 3% of 600 plus 33 1 by 3% of 300 minus 14 2 by 7% of 700. Question simplify. You know that 16 2 by 3% is 1 by 6. 1 by 6 into 600. Okay, you did not write, just you can understand. 1 by 6 into 600, how much? 100. 33 1 by 3%, that is equal to how much? 1 by 3. 1 by 3 into 300, how much? 100. Minus 14 2 by 7% is equal to 1 by 7. 1 by 7 into 700, how much? 100. Now what is the answer? Answer is 100. This is how you have to. That's why the concept of remembering the percentage equivalent into fractions is a must. You should remember. Okay, now how I will apply in simple interest question. Suppose the principal is rupees 50,000. N 3 years. Rate of interest 10% per annum. They are asking you to find the simple interest and amount repayable how much. You might have studied in your school days simple interest is equal to A, I is equal to PNR by 100, A is equal to P into 1 plus NR by 100. As per that method, suppose I put SI is equal to P, PNR by 100, right? What is the principal? 50,000 into N, how many years? 3 years. Rate of interest, how much? 10%. This is how many of us do, right? Cancelling this one, this 15,000. So what is the amount repayable? Borrowed amount was 50,000. Interest accrued is 15,000, total amount is 65,000. This is very lengthy method. How I can calculate simple interest easily? For 1 year, rate of interest is 10%. For 3 years, what is the rate of interest? 30%. 30% of how much is 50,000? Okay, I told you percentage and of means you remove it. 3 into 5,000, how much? 15,000. So instead of doing it by a lengthy method of SI is equal to PNR by 100, you can do it 30% of 50,000. How much it is? 15,000. You can do it. Amount you can add 50 plus 15, 65. Suppose the question is like this. Okay. Question is, principal is rupees 60,000. N 3 years. Rate of interest is 16 2.3% per annum. Okay. If you apply 16 2/3 divided by 100, numerator, denominator, mixture, everything will come. Apply PNR by 100. I told you this is equal to how much? 1/6. We already noted. So SI is equal to PNR by 100. P how much? 60,000. N how many years? 3 years. R by 100. R by 6. R by 100 itself it has come. That is, if you cancel, how much it will come? 10,000. 10,000 into 3, how much? 30,000 rupees. This is how you can easily do. That has got lots of advantages. This is for simple interest. Suppose it is a compound interest question, how I can do? Suppose amount is 50,000. Principal is 50,000. N 3 years. Rate of interest, let us say 10% per annum. Suppose they are asking what is the compound interest. For compound interest, there is a complicated formula. A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power N. That is a very lengthy formula used there. But what is the easy method? Just to calculate the first year interest. First year interest equal to how much? 10% of 50,000. 10% of 50,000. That is equal to how much? 5,000. Compound interest means what? For principal also I have to give interest. Interest on interest also I have to give. Now I go to second year interest. 10% of already 50,000 is there. 50,000 plus 5,000, how much? 55,000. Okay, remove 2 zeros. How easy you see? 5,500. What about third year interest? 10% of 55,000. How much? 55,000 is the, okay, how much? 60,500 rupees will come, right? 55,000 plus 5,000, how much? 60,000, 60,500. You cancel this one, how much it will come? 6050. You add all. This is the total compound interest. 0. What is the compound interest? 16,550. Suppose they are asking you the amount repayable. What is the amount? Amount is 50,000. 66,550. Whereas A is equal to P into 1 plus r by 100 whole to the power n. That means you should go on multiply 50,000 into 110 by 100 into 110 by 100 into 110 by 100. You have to multiply, then you have to subtract 50,000 to get this one. Suppose a simplification question comes like this, okay? A simplification question comes like this. 197 plus 103 percentage of 500 minus 25 percentage of 888 plus 33 1 by 3 percentage of 3000. How much? 197 plus 103, how much? 197 plus 3 is 200, 300. 300 percentage of 500. 197 plus 103, how much? 300. 25 percentage means how much? 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into 888, how much? 222. 33, 1 by 3 percentage means how much? 1 by 3. 1 by 3 into 3000, how much? 1000. Okay. I told you remove 2 zeros. 300 into 5,500 plus 1000. That is 2500. What is the minus value? Minus value is 2. How much? 2278. This type of questions do come under simplification. Simplification, these percentage applications, mixed percentages, equivalent fractions are applicable in data interpretation, simple interest, compound interest, profit and loss. Everywhere it is percentage, profit and loss, all questions. So to summarize today's class, try to memorize all tables up to 20, squares up to 20, cubes up to 15. Whatever short tricks I taught in ratio and proportion, percentage, divisibility rules, etc. you go through once again and solve the problems. So with that, we conclude today's class. Again, we will meet in some other class. Until then, bye. I wish you all the best to everyone.